Hi ladies, so I got a lot of questions yesterday about my eyes and how I did it, so I'm coming to you with one eye done right now. So this is my eye that's done, and I was testing out the Splurge creams, and I'm going to show you how I did it. So the Splurge creams, I'm going to use Noble and I'm going to use Dreamy. They are like pudding in a little cup. They're so cute. They go on cream. They dry powder. They're not going to crease in your eye, and that's the best part about them. So when you put them on, they're nice and soft and they work. They go on nice and smooth. But then they're going to dry to a powder, which means you can shade them, you can smudge them, you can build on them, but they're not going to crease throughout the day, which you're going to find with some of your other shadows. Now, I don't know of any other product out there that is this consistency, this nice and smooth going on. I know they have bases, but this is different than a base because it's got the color right in it. And you can play with these colors. You can get this color or you can get much lighter than this. So if this looks scary to you, don't worry. All right, the only tools I'm using are a paper towel and the cream shadow brush. So I'm gonna start with the Dreamy, which is the lighter one. And I'm just gonna get a little on my brush. You really don't need all that much. I'm probably not even gonna use all that much. And I'm gonna go my whole lid. Now, that's really thick, right? We don't need it that thick. You can do it that thick if that's the look that you want. Now, I'm not one of those people that does my whole eyelid. I kind of stay below this bone right here. Okay. Now, you could leave it at this. You could not even go up this far. You could just do the bottom part of your lid, put your mascara on, and it would look fabulous. I usually do a little bit more than that. So I'm going to take this, rub it on my paper towel. I'm going to use the same brush, which is the awesome part about this. You don't really need that much. So here's my purple. I just have a little bit. I'm going to do this on the outer edge, and I'm going to get up on that brow bone. And I'm going to build it because I want a darker color on the outside. This is kind of my smoky eye. Okay. So I'm going to wipe any extras off right on my paper towel. Nothing on my brush. I'm just going to blend the two of these together. So you don't really see where they overlapped, right? And it's one smooth transition. Now, if you look at it, you're like, oh, I got a little bit too much up there. Remember, it's a cream. So right now, it hasn't set. I can kind of wipe it and do what I want with it. Looks good, right? Well, I'm going to do a little bit more with my magic pencil because I love pristine. So I'm going to get right in the corner here. This color goes so well with Dreamy. And I'm going to do my waterline again. This really is going to give you that awake pop. Look at the difference, right? Remember, I do under my eyebrow and above it. Smudge, smudge, smudge. You don't want a white line up there. And magic mascara time. All right. Do you want to see the mascara too? I might as well. Okay. Gel. I really take my time with the gel. Oops. So I'm turning it to get that cone shape. Okay. Not gonna leave that there. Look how easy that came off. Okay, fibers. Only the tips. Gel. Done.